Look at these two sentences. I have been studying. I have been busy. Both sentences have been, but look at the words after it. Studying, busy. Is busy a verb? Now look carefully at these two pictures. I have been studying. I have been busy. In the first sentence, studying tells us about an action. In the second sentence, busy tells us about a condition or state. So, what is the difference? The difference is in the function of the verb phrase. Look at the first sentence. I have been studying. Have been studying tells us an action, so this is an action verb phrase. Now look at the second sentence. I have been busy. Have been busy tells us a condition or state, so this is a linking verb phrase. Same pattern, have been, but a different function of the verb phrase. Here is a simple shortcut. Look at the sentence like a photo or a video. A photo shows a condition or state. Nothing moves. A video shows an action. There is movement or activity. So when you see a verb phrase, ask yourself, is it showing a photo or a video? Now let's practice. Decide whether the highlighted phrase is showing an action or a linking condition or state. Take a moment and decide for yourself. Pause the video if you need more time. Here is the answer key with explanation. Number 1. He is learning fast. This shows an action, so it is an action verb phrase. Number 2. I like fried chicken. Fried shows an action. Number 3. The scientists are investigating the cause of the pandemic. Investigating shows an action. Number 4. The investigation is producing no result. Producing shows an action. Number 5. They were very frustrated by the results. Frustrated describes their condition, so this is a linking verb phrase. Number 6. He has grown tall. Tall describes his new state, so this is a linking verb phrase. Number 7. The farmer has grown red potatoes. Here, grown shows an action, so it is an action verb phrase. Number 8. The problem is difficult. Difficult describes the problem, so this is a linking verb phrase. Number 9. It will be a tough job. A tough job describes the subject, so this is a linking verb phrase. Number 10. John is almost finished. Finished describes John's state, so this is a linking verb phrase. So remember, action, think video. Condition or state, think photo.